Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. How to create title like this technique without any plugins. It's very easy and let's get started. First I'll add new composition and I'll name it title. Okay, go to width, change it to 2000, height change it to 350, frame rate 30, duration 10 seconds, then hit OK and see. Okay, now go to text, add your text. Okay, oh, capital. Okay, yeah, go to selection and I'll go to align to put this text into the middle. Click here and here, and if you don't see a line here you can go to window and check align. Okay, yeah, very good. So now let me go to composition and new composition, change height to 2000. Okay, and I'll name this composition animation. Okay, then hit OK and drag and drop title here. Okay, press R for rotation and I rotate it to 90 minus 90 degrees like this. Okay, very good. So now let me go to effects and presets and I'll type CC Reptile, this one, drag and drop or double click. Okay, and I'll go to expand down and increase it to 300. Also expand up, I'll increase it to 2000 like this. So now go to layer and add new null object and parent title with null object. So I'll go to none, set none to null object. Okay, then I'll press P, make sure that you are on the first frame, keyframe, go to last frame and increase your title like this. So I'll open here, great, because I want to add this, the third one, into the middle like this. Okay, yeah, okay, very good. Now let me add background. Okay, change color to yeah, one. Okay, okay, I'll put this background uh, down like this. Okay, and again I'll go to layer, new solid, and let me name it mask 1. Open color and let me change one these numbers to 17 and 17 like this. This is mask 1. So let me close mask 1 just right now because I want to add a mask in this text. Okay, like this. Let me open it. Okay, very good. Now change add to subtract. Okay, open mask, mask feather, change it to around 150. Okay, let me make it bigger, something like this. Okay, Yeah, this is very good. Okay, and set normal to multiply. Okay, yeah. Again, I'll go to layer, new solid, and I'll name it mask 2. Then hit OK. Let me close it, and I'll add a mask, but bigger than first one, something like this. Okay, and I'll go to mask, set add to subtract. Then let me open it. Okay, and open mask, mask feather, increase it also around 150. Okay, okay, now I'll go to mask 1, mask expansion. Okay, mask expansion, and increase it. Okay, maybe something like this, and let me uh, decrease mask feather. Yeah, okay, and also I'll go to mask 2, mask expansion, and I'll increase it also, but maybe around 20-25. Okay, and set normal here to color burn. Okay, yeah, very good. Okay, now let me add a new composition, and I'll name it render. I'll change width and height to make it full HD. Okay, 1090, and okay, go to project, animation, drag and drop. Then I'll press okay. So now let me add uh, go to effects and presets, and I'll add CC cylinder, double click or drag and drop. Okay, and see. Okay, let me go to render, set fall to outside, go to light, and light height I'll change it to 100. Also shading diffuse 100. Okay, and let me control D to copy. Go to first one, position, decrease position like this, and also I'll go to third one, position, and I'll increase it like this. Okay, yeah, very good. Now I'll add a new null object. Okay, and click on animation, this one, and shift and click again, set none to null, and I'll press R to rotate it to 45. Then I'll press S to increase it a little bit. Okay, like this. And also I'll add a new adjustment layer. Go to effect, color correction, and curves. So let me add curve here, RGB, like this. And also I'll add another curve like this, and see. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.